And they're off. And the lead is taken by Pilia. It's Pilia in the lead, followed by Faithful Wife on the outside in second. And Wells Corgi by the rail in third. Moving up is entry number 3. And that's Lil Dynamo. And entry number 9, Grand Villa. And at the mid-back stretch, Faithful Wife in the lead, followed by Wells Corgi by the Lil Dynamo. And Pilia on the outside is Grand Villa. Moving up on the inside is Hello Boss, number 4, 1017 Berkshire. Primero de Marzo. And entry number 2, Geneva, is bringing up the rear. And at the last bend for home, the lead is taken over now by entry number 3, Lil Dynamo in the lead. It's now Lil Dynamo in the lead, followed by Faithful Wife on the outside in second, Grand Villa. And Wells Corgi. Pilia moving up on the inside. On the farther outside is 1017. And into the home stretch, it's Lil Dynamo in the lead, followed by Faithful Wife on the outside in second, 1017 on the farther outside. And moving up now is Grand Villa. And nearing the payoff line, Lil Dynamo moving up on the outside is 1017. And finally at the payoff line is going to be entry number 4, 1017 Grand Villa. 98 Faithful Wife, Lil Dynamo, Berkshire, Pilia, Hello Boss, Wells Corgi, Jenny.